friggin' rights, boys. Check this out. My bros down at Welder. And again, I pulled through for you, boys. We got a giveaway today. Hey, we got a giveaway, boys. You love that kind. But this here unit is, well, it's a multi-process. It's a multi-process unit here, boys. What we got is we got the firstest MP200. That's what we got, MP200 on there. So it's a multi-function power MIG TIG stick cut. Well, wouldn't that just be splendid if we were setting up a friggin' welding rig in the RV with the solar powers and the different type of the blue eddies and stuff like that. And then instead of having to friggin' drag the entire friggin' milloword, hey? Instead of having to drag the entire milloword out into the trailer and have to get Crawdad to come over and give me, hey, look at this. It's one-handed operations here, boys. It's got the protect the on screen. So what do we got here? There's your ground clamp. A nice little ground clamp there. There's your stinger. Put that over there. There's your hose for your your gas. Where are you guys looking? Hey guys, over here. Over here, okay, you guys? Oh, hey you guys. So we got the hose for the gas there. We'll need that. Oh, we got a little satchel. Yes, Welder sticker pack, boys. Hey, well, don't mind if I do. Got the old Yes Welder sticker pack there, boys. Nice. We're giving away a welding hat in Inwood. Where's my welding hat? I gotta show you this. This is the one they sent me a long time ago. I don't know which one they're gonna send you, but it's got lights on it, you know. You can turn to auto and stuff too, or whatever, but it's got the friggin' what's it up here. So like I say, I don't know which one they're sending, but it could be one like this. If you look through there, you know, you got the full vision. You got the full vision. I mean, this is a nice helmet here. So hopefully they send you one like this. That'd be too much in Mariola. So, oh, they even got a 3-adapter, boys. I'm a big fan of the 3-adapters, but so this guy here is so you can run her on the 110s or the 220s. Eh? I mean, we got the 220s in the van, so we're golden, but yeah. But here's your MIG welder antler. Ooh, boys. Look at the TIG setup, boys. Remember I sold my TIG welder. So what's this? Oh, and then there's the plasma cutter bits. So you got the TIG welder set up, plasma cutter set up. We got a little box. Oh, there's your water separator mount, eh? Maybe that's what this is for right here. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. You can put that guy right down here. Where are you looking, boys? Okay, that's where that goes right there. That guy will just go on there like that. And you got your airline and your what's it and everything. We're all plugged in. We got the wire fed. We got the gas hooked up. Let's do some preliminary on this. Let's do a little preliminary on. Nice. Look at that. Look at the graphic designs onto it. Holy. 200 amps, boys. This is a 200 amp welder. Come on. Oh, there it is. Look at her go, boys. Friggin' rights. Holy. We got her full crank. And that friggin' welds a big time. Wow. Well, there you go. Friggin' rights. These ones are bunk ones from trying to weld with a battery. I mean, it works, right? But you can't turn it up. This is up full blast. And this thing is radiating heat. Here's the other side. Is again just welding over top of other welds, but Yeah, well, I was fully prepared to give you the old thumbs down. I mean, again, we're 2 welds in. You've seen it happen. It happened before your eyes. We started it up, we turned it on, we pulled the trigger, we welded a little bit. Works good. Now, is that going to be the same case in the long run? Time will tell. Check this out. You ever seen that before? It's wrench skin. Deblowing my wrench. Anyways, boys, we got troubles. We got troubles with the box truck, boys. Oh no! But I got rid of that ridiculous pin they had on there. Put my own on. Nice. I got a trailer hitch guy, but either way, I need to take this thing out of there or cut it off or something because she no good. But I got 2 of the bolts out that I can get to. One snapped right off, and the other one, you know, is rusted almost friggin', you know, good percentage, good 10%, 20% rust through. We got new ones, grade 5 for extra more awesome. But yeah, I think I'm gonna just have to cut these off because this is giving me a rash. Can't get straight on it on the guy. I don't have anything that'll get on there easy, so. Torch as it is. No, cut that off. I gotta lower it either, you know, I mean, I might be able to get away with just lowering it into the next set of holes there. Lowering her into the next set of holes, but I'd like to just take that right off because the pin goes upward, downward, and they don't make them like that, so it's like a 1B star skull. We need a more multi-B-nounced, if you know what I'm saying. But sledgehammer doesn't budget. Friggin', so yeah, I don't know. We're gonna have to just heat it up like 3 biscuits, I guess. I don't really know what else we can do, but. what I just found under the seat of my good one. Vile. Absolutely vile. Can you believe that? My good one. Unbelievable. Got her to break loose, boys. Friggin' rights I did. Oh, bit of a friggin' torch smoosh list. That couldn't have been more splendid, to be honest with you. Ooh, that's hot. Oh! Yikes. Sweet. We'll clean all that up and stab the new one in, weld it on, and then we'll be able to replace our friggin' what's-its. It'll be awesome, you guys. You guys are fixing up the new truck for work, the new work truck. You guys love watching Traptor videos and stuff. You guys should try playing Traptor if you never even did. It's fun, really bad. But yeah, oh, happy. We got that out. I just gotta put the other one in. Easy peasy. Well, if my trailer flies off, we can blame the yes welder, but no, she seems pretty stuck on there, I think. But friggin' right, so I'll put the link in the prescription on that guy, eh? We'll have to put the link in the prescription on that guy right there. It's also got the TIG welder in the, I mean, I probably showed you in the first sector of the movie, but that was filmed like a little while ago, but yeah. Still have to try out the plasma cutter and the TIG welder there, but the MIG welder sure seems to work just fucking splendid, so that's handy. I know you guys were expecting me to just drive it around and let this go all rusty, but not my good one. The 7.3 turbo non-commons. Pardon my Francis for the lighting. Let's see what we can do about that. Oh yeah. How are you boys doing? Can you saw me better now? Hey? My custom bike light, tripod bike light there, boys. That's good enough for inwood, probably. Gonna take the van out for the first guesstimation. We got a guesstimation to do today, boys. So we'll take old Vanny out, eh? And pretty much throw this right in the garbage. It ain't no good for nothing anymore. And yeah, I think we're ready to go for a trip. Got the oil all tip-topped off. Pick up my freaking phone. My phone, what's it installed? Got my stinky thing because it kind of smells like an armpit in here a little bit. We cleaned it, but the seat, I don't know, it's filled with farts big time. It's just chock full of the farts, different fumes out of the fuselage. But yeah, that looks excellent. That is marvelous. I am super happy that that we did that. So nice. It was not looking good for a minute because, of course, this thing, you know, they had it welded in there pretty good. Like they didn't. But yeah, there was absolutely zero movement. But you'd see the sidewards hole. This was flush with this end, and the pin went through this wards. All right. So I had to drill that hole because that's why I changed this. Even if got it out, it's still, the pin was up and downsies. They don't make up and downsies. That's the hole right there, right? This one. That's the hole. It's supposed to be the hole right there. Not that. That one no good. So anyways, we fixed that. She's all good now. My good one. Any trouble from this friggin' engine and trim, she's coming out, boys. It already is, you know, it's just got a little drizzle. I'm not overly offended from it, but now that we got this on the road, safety, a couple days, and then it's on the road, it's good to go, and then we can bring the stick shift, bring Stickley in here and finally fix that oil leak, right? Because I can't bring it in here for, you know, week, 2 weeks, and then get jobs that can't tow anything anywhere. That's have Tip Ward drop us off. Hey, that'd be cool. But anyways, I gotta get my shit together here, and then we'll go, and it'll be awesome, and we'll get jobs, and guy will be like, "Oh, thanks for doing such a good work at my place, guy." And I'm like, "Yeah, no problem, bro." And stuff, right? Look at this. I even got one special for the new truck. Friggin' rights. Friggin' rights, boys. Just listen to that baby purr. Nice. But I got the wires for the upfitter figured out there. So you got the ground, and then there's, oh shit, what the hell's up with that? They print the numbers on the clear part, and the clear part comes off, so that's good. That's wholesome. But there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 in the wiring. Corresponds with the switches, so obviously you're not going to want to, you know, pump 4 accessories through one ground like that. So this dude just hooked this up to relays, and the relays will actually power the device, and this will just trigger the relay, if you will. But yeah, I mean, it doesn't, you know, it sticks in there, right? It jabs into the hole, so we just got to run the wire through the back of it, and then we still got a slot for our business cards there. Friggin' decent, boys. Got my what's it? Uh-oh, what is that all about? I've never seen that before. It's got a car onto it. Why do they have that? Let's see if my lighter plug works here. It's working. We got power. We got accessory power there, boys. So friggin' rights for that. Oh, I got him. Oh, see the fart dust come out of there? Oh, we better open this up a little more. Oh, Lord. Anyways, I go.